How do I use Gemini for beginners? Intro. Hey everyone, you have a personal assistant who can do almost anything you ask. You can ask it questions, get summaries of complex topics, and even write creative content. This is the power of Gemini. Hook. Ever wondered how it works? How can you harness this incredible tool to make your life easier? Context. Gemini is a large language model, which means it's trained on a massive amount of text data. This allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts and questions. Getting started. The first thing you need to do is access Gemini. You can do this through a variety of platforms, including Google Search, Google Assistant, and specific Gemini applications. Once you have access, you can start interacting with Gemini. Simply type or speak your query into the interface, and Gemini will provide a response. Basic commands. Here are some basic commands to get you started. Ask a question. What is the capital of France? Request a summary. Tell me about the French Revolution. Generate creative content. Write a poem about a robot who wants to be human. Translate text. Translate "Hello, how are you?" into Spanish. Advanced features. Gemini can do much more than just answer questions. It can also write different kinds of creative text formats, stories, emails, scripts, musical pieces, code, letters, etc. Provide summaries of factual topics, from historical events to scientific concepts. Create different kinds of creative content, poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. Translate languages between many different languages. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks to get the most out of Gemini. Be specific in your prompts. The more specific you are, the better Gemini can understand your request. Experiment and have fun. Gemini is a powerful tool, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what it can do. Use Gemini as a learning tool. Gemini can be a great resource for learning new things. Be mindful of biases. Gemini is trained on a large dataset, which may contain biases. Be aware of this and interpret its responses critically. Common use cases. Here are some common use cases for Gemini. Students, Gemini can help with homework, research, and writing assignments. Professionals, Gemini can help with tasks such as writing emails, creating presentations, and conducting research. Creative writers, Gemini can help with brainstorming ideas, generating plot lines, and writing dialogue. Language learners, Gemini can help with translating text, practicing conversation, and learning new vocabulary. Conclusion. Gemini is a powerful tool that can be used in many different ways. By following these tips and tricks, you can start using Gemini to make your life easier and more productive. Call to action. Are you ready to start using Gemini? If so, I encourage you to experiment and see what it can do for you. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.